I'm going to show you how to utilize the Forms tool on MineTracker. So when you log in, you're going to scroll down to your memberships and click on the organization that you would like to manage. You will then click on Manage Organization. Keep in mind that you will only have this button if you have management access. It will then take you to this. You're going to click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top left. It's going to bring down a drop-down menu. You're going to click Forms. This will show you all of the forms that your organization has created in the past. To create a new form, you're going to click these 3 buttons and then click Create Form. Here, you're going to fill out all of the information that it's asking for. Be sure to click Active if you're wanting to make it active immediately. Start time, end date, be sure to input those. If you would like to have an approval process, for instance, if you're having elections or something, here you can enable that. Or if this needs no reviewers, you can click No Review Required. If you would like the public to be able to have a submission, you can allow that. If you'd like to have multiple submissions, you can allow that as well. If you would like to enable a reviewer workflow, meaning that you're going to have different levels of the reviewer process, you can enable that. And if you'd like to have reviewers, like for instance your officer positions, to review the submissions, you can also enable that and add those people's email addresses. If you would like to restrict people from seeing the form, for instance, if it's only for your members, you can also restrict that. You're then going to click Save and Add Questions to create your form. Here, this is where you're going to be able to have full access to customize your form and add different instructions, checkbox lists, text fields for them to input anything you're asking them, or even upload a file. There's going to be different properties. So when you click Page Properties, this is where you're going to be able to name each page or name your form in general. Here's when you click on Page List, this is where you're going to be able to adjust the order of your pages and even add another page. So once you create your form, you're going to be able to edit the form questions, archive it if you're done with it, copy it, send it to somebody. By sharing it, you can look at the submissions that have been submitted, or you can even export the submissions to send to your members. You're going to be able to search forms if you have quite a lot. You're going to be able to sort, include the archived forms that you've already archived, and even filter by accepting submissions, the submissions that are pending, and the ones that are featured.